1989 Autocar ACL64 with a 4,000 gallon 4-compartment steel tank, stock number 894190. It's a 1989 Autocar, has a Cummins LTA10 at 240 horsepower, has a 7-speed Spicer PS140-7A transmission, power steering, air brakes, differential lock, has 11 R24/5 tires on spokes, has a Hendrickson walking beam suspension, 60,000 GVW, one 50-gallon fuel tank, and a block heater. Tank is a 1989 Amthor 4,000 gallon 4-compartment steel tank. Compartment sizes are 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, and 1,000. It's an MC306MS. Has a 3-inch roper pump, 3-inch Neptune meter and register with auto stop. Has electric hose reel with around 75 feet of 2-inch hose and Scully nozzle. Has air-operated internal valves. Valve 2 bypass meter. Has one toolbox on the passenger side. Again, we have a 1989 Autocar with a 4,000 gallon 4-compartment steel tank, stock number 894190. Please give us a call at 865-524-5678 or visit us online at www.petroleumtrucks.net.